enyumre me obi bia akwaba eba K Sami TV ensem asi wo wiase na yede ebremu na ene no ye behwe Asante Akim North na ye hwa na ye hwe ne sen omo mrahye bidwani a ye frɛ no Ohene Kwame Frimpong on the 13th of this month and yet say ya chino e Netherlands efa enoma ba ku menu miensa bi nti in fact se onim na nche bia me de ni image beto na ya hwe na ya ka ho asem because e hadwen papa e hadwen de ekoso no e hadwen minim se Ghana ena enya ne noma yewu senso se Ghana na ebi muyenyo senso se Ghana ena yenim ye left and right producer ma mini image no na omo munim no omo hwe no eye Ohene Kwame Frimpong we as independent candidate ena otu MPP ni NDC egui e wa Asante Akim no de enim se Asante Akim North seat no a strong good of the MPP, that New Patriotic Party enso man abeji city na se ya ni nya ntie se otu kwan akọ UK na o transit or far transit nisi odu Netherlands ya chino in the name of say say America for hia no ebisa ne nsem ba ko mienu miensa na mbisa se kwan e fa so che no eye anase nye eno na ye be pensim mu Ohene Kwame Frimpong hwe na a nice gentleman and a youth because I think say afri na one 40 years na didi kan no me ma Asante Akim no for yako because my expect say bibi say abesi na asi me ameka say musomfo aje onabo aje Frimpong na asem no etisen asem no ampa didi kan ye say allege ema ne be kasa say bibi say ni wo afi yete ya yesi ache Ohene Kwame Frimpong ne bisa say eye anasenye to the best of my knowledge. It seems the sovereignty that dwells in some states are not being given the let me say I don't know how to put it, but they are not giving them the free room to operate. Very bad. As a public figure, I name so Ohene Kwame Frimpong, a MP, representing Mensi Bim Ewo Ghana. Na say US for kramu hiana. Edia na wasamoye. Ya will be a friend international relations. You will be a friend foreign what? Exchange. You will be a friend diplomacy. Ni nyina no US for antimi amfasa akwan we so. Ene Ghana ankasa ameje Ohene Kwame Frimpong anko ene na anko ede anko di nkomo nemum enim guase omdi beja Ghana ne se omo betete achi very bad obia o Ghana parliament ne hwehwe nyeden. And what I know class nka US je nka Ghana ne omo ntebon enti it's a matter of writing to the embassy wa ha say and as writing to parliament, writing to the state, say ye hear Ohene Kwame Frimpong and ka state ni be jani mu ba yen kote ente say ateta kochina da wu dwane o dwane akohen the meeting say even proud to say na arrest na kura no na wa Asante Akim North ene maamefo e wa ha bedi Mother's Day obi a wo ye public figure obi a wo ye state asset e beede no beka se obedwane eja ne manfo na mebusa o se eye very bad ena minim ede ekwa ne be mo kipu no more than 7 days ansabo mo tisi o mo de ne court ena baby omo kipu no kura na omo de ne court no me no omo nya because ye hwe bio Netherlands for ena nka omo enipa abedi baby a There's no way you're treating this. Now, make said that me can mean say Ghana no na your boundaries no yamana ye full to extend say obiara timi be ye de ope obiara timi fire say wa up till now yen share denya any concrete ayibia Ghana as a state try say obekwari Netherlands and US for on the manner in which they arrested Asante Akim of MP. Well, what I know is, Oko Netherlands, you were embassy who Ghana were embassy who Sana ba Ghana, Netherlands for embassy wa Oko US Ghana were embassy. Even not that we stand there, you were ambassador or Oko US, you were high commissioner or. You see, the enemy say, obi enya Anglo for na so onye part of the Commonwealth nation. Na say, ono representative na say the embassy bi wo a, the ono head no, ono your friend ambassador, and the or ye part of Commonwealth your friend there. High Commissioner. What you say? Ye will be wo. Oba Ghana, your foreign minister so ho. And what ponding in club at be among the various ambassadors and the high commissioners. A DNA as a nation. A DNA. Sometimes yane mubi muja maya aggressive. Dear Kosono, I was a Ghana sorry. Because Yawamra Ghana the boy hombra. And the areas in France, Mra wa the bo be a hodi. A bine and a bra. It seems there Ohene Kwame Frimpong and before Asante Akim in treating ye. Nagakra mechanic say, Aya answer ye can who be Asante Akim for Ghana for they were dear chin the various opposition parties. Ya criticizing mine no. A question a be hard dream. A question a be hard dream. This man has been good to Asante Akim. Even though I can boldly say Mimi MPP, I don't support him politically, but Obia or ya the party Ufudia only a piano. What I say. And in any case, politically, I will never second Ohene Kwame Frimpong and the policies ni no maybe a to downgrade Mimi party. But yes, you know, I no doso. Yes, you be no class MPP for Niami Acheno. Very bad. MPP Nibia Ninsa was Adiwim. MPP NDC Nibia Ninsa was Adiwim. And ya didn't see the last time I heard no interview, be no say. Almost say it has to do with money laundering, you know, say Bibisa. But in all these cases, no, and you know, I was say show. The way Ghana ye fire someone and on the MYA. Say ye suni ya. Eba UN Ghana is part. Semrebi Honoma, I was said yes, Ghana, a part of those who signed the treaty. The agreement, I say, and to Quincy, we are Simbiano, and Jama states, Miako Mobum say, they are forming a union known as what? UN. Besides, Ghana is a sovereign state. And for that matter, Opia will hold the position of Ghana Biano. Or your state no property, or your state no asset. It won't mean for ope and kase or ko baby watching. Now you're penny for the day in there to your show let away and away at say, what are we doing about that? What is our take on the arrest?
yeni embassy wɔ Netherlands wa na